Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today on How We Cooking Time, we are going to make one of my favorite Jamaican salt mackerel rundown. So guys, this is how my salt mackerel is looking. I purchased it at my local supermarket. Now I want to remove the excess salt from it. So I am going to boil it for 15 to 20 minutes. For my coconut, I cut it in small pieces. Then I am just going to blend it and extract the milk from it. So this is how the milk looks. So guys, after I have boiled my salt mackerel for 20 minutes, I just rinse it with room temperature water and debone it. So I just break it in small pieces. You can also do it to the size that you want. And these are all the other ingredients that I am going to use for my rundown. So I have my onions, I have my thyme, scallion, tomato, sweet peppers, and my coconut milk. To my preheated pot, I am just going to add my coconut milk and let it boil for 5 to 10 minutes. So basically I want the milk to reduce until it turns into custard and you start to see the oil separating from it. So guys, the coconut milk has reduced to how I want it. So basically now I'm just going to add my other ingredients. So I'm just going to start off with my onions, then my tomatoes, going in with my thyme and scallion, then I'm just going to add my sweet peppers. Guys, you can add your scotch bonnet peppers as well. I did not have any, so I didn't use them. After I've added all my seasonings, I realized that I wanted a bit more coconut milk, so I'm just going to add some more to it and let everything simmer for 5 minutes. Right now I'm just going to add my salt mackerel. The last thing I'm adding to my rundown is my black pepper, and then I'm just going to let everything simmer for 10 minutes. There you have it, guys. Our mackerel rundown is all ready. So if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and please subscribe if you're new. Thank you so much, guys, for your support. Thank you so much for tuning in on my channel, and thank you for spending your time with me. So until I see you next time, bye guys.